Super Potty Song.
It's super potty time, come along, let's see how we use the potty and keep clean as can be. When you feel the urge and you need to go, hurry to the potty, it's the star of our show. Now it's time to wipe from front to back. Use some paper gently, keep it nice and intact. Now just flush the potty, watch the water spin. Wave goodbye to your pee and poop with a big, big grin. Spray a little here, spray a little there. Floral and colorful freshness in the air. Wash your hands with soap, scrub them clean and bright. Rinse away the bubbles till they're out of sight. Super potty time is fun, and now you see we're all clean and fresh, as clean as can be.
Like and subscribe for more nursery rhymes and kids song. Skiddos! Active learning time.